the only 14 ways to make money with AI in 2026. Look, everyone and their uncle is trying to sell you on making money with AI right now. Every other video, every other guru, they're all promising the moon. But here's the cold, hard truth. 99% of them are peddling snake oil. They haven't made a single dollar using AI themselves. But what if I told you there are actual ways to build a fortune with AI? Ways that are working right now. I'm not just talking theories. I launch a new AI company every single month, and most of them are pulling in millions. Today, I'm going to cut through the noise and reveal the only 14 real-world opportunities to make serious money with AI. And stick around, because by the end, I'll tell you exactly which one I'd bet my life on and how you can actually start building it today. So before we dive into the gold mine, if you want to discover how to sell any of these AI ventures without making a single cold call, I've got a free gift for you. It's called the Sell by Chat Playbook. It's my exact system for closing deals through direct messages, and it's helped my companies make millions. Find me on Instagram, that's @DanMartel, and DM me the word chat. I'll send it right over. Now let's get started. 1. AI voice agents. Imagine an AI that acts as a full-time receptionist for a business. It books appointments, qualifies leads, and handles every single call. It never sleeps, never complains, never gets sick, and certainly never quits. For businesses where even one missed call can mean thousands lost, think plumbers, HVAC companies, law firms, dental clinics, this is a game changer. And here's the wild part. Most of these businesses don't even know this technology exists yet, or they dismiss it. They're probably talking to an AI right now and don't even realize it. That's the window we're in. I'm going to rank these opportunities into 4 tiers. S tier, top tier, A tier, great, B tier, solid, and F tier, run away fast. We'll judge them on 3 crucial factors: profitability, competition, and longevity. Profitability, high. I know exactly what businesses are willing to pay for this. I've talked to my barber, my friends with local businesses. When AI can directly tackle labor costs and replace a human, charging $500, thousands, or even $1,500 a month feels like a steal to them. Competition. Pretty crowded. Every time I mention an AI idea, people say, "Oh, I'm building a voice agent." The good news? Most of them don't know how to market or sell. You can still find local businesses answering their phones with actual humans. The market is talking, but adoption isn't widespread yet. Longevity, high. Voice is the future of how we'll interact with AI for countless tasks. Tier, A tier. It's a solid business with real demand and good money-making potential. 2. AI lead generation. This is about building an AI that automates prospecting for businesses. It researches, qualifies leads, gathers data, and then presents them as pre-qualified opportunities. Tools like ManyChat, Cloud Cowork, and Gemini can help you find these leads. Why don't businesses just do this themselves? Most entrepreneurs are drowning in work, busy serving their current clients. They desperately need leads, but they don't have the time to find them. Offering them warm leads with phone numbers and emails you've managed is incredibly valuable. Profitability, high. You're directly putting money on the table for your clients. Competition, getting tougher. New AI platforms like Clay.com are offering this as a service. But the good news is you can still charge for high-quality leads. I have a friend who makes a killing doing this daily. Longevity, strong. Businesses will always need more leads. And if you're starting a company, learning lead generation is a crucial skill for yourself. Tier, S tier. You're selling money. It's a clear value proposition that's an easy yes for businesses, and you can charge enough to make it highly profitable. 3. Faceless AI YouTube channels. This is the new rage, the supposed cash cow of AI content creation. But let me be blunt, I think it's bull. The YouTube algorithm is actively burying AI-generated content right now. It craves real, organic, engaging content. Many of these channels get demonetized within weeks because all they produce is AI-generated slop. There's no brand building, no audience loyalty, and no way to stand out from the millions of other AI channels. Profitability, almost zero. As mentioned, demonetization is a massive risk. Competition, extremely high. Anyone with an AI tool can create these. It's not difficult. Longevity, none. This is the bottom feeder of the internet, and people are already getting tired of this kind of faceless content. Tier, F tier. It's interesting to learn how to create AI video content. That's a valuable skill. But as a standalone business, not for me. Hamhamder 4. AI content repurposing. This is where you take long-form content like this video and transform it into short-form clips, tweets, carousels, and newsletters. My own threads are blowing up using content from my YouTube channel. Tools like Opus Clips and Descript make this incredibly easy. Profitability. Pretty solid. Every creator and company with a podcast needs this service. Competition. Moderate. It's a growing category, but many people have already figured out how to do this themselves. Longevity, weak. The tools are advancing so rapidly that they're starting to do the repurposing automatically. Your window for offering this as a distinct service might be small. Tier, B tier. It's a valuable skill to learn for your own business, but it will likely be automated for everyone long term. Number 5, AI consulting. You get paid to audit a company's operations, systems, and processes, finding every possible area where AI can save them time, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. You could charge $5,000 for an audit and potentially turn it into a $50,000 implementation project. Companies know they should be using AI. They know it's the future. They just don't know where to start. You can be that guiding force. Profitability. Extremely high. This is one of the most lucrative ways to leverage AI for businesses. Competition. Low. There aren't many people qualified and good enough to effectively consult on AI implementation. It requires specialization. Longevity strong. Consulting will always be needed, and AI is only accelerating. As long as AI keeps changing, businesses will need experts to help them adapt. Tier, S tier. If you have domain expertise, this is a fantastic starting point. I actually prefer this over lead generation because it offers more avenues for revenue growth and deeper client relationships. Number 6, virtual assistants, powered by AI. As someone who wrote the book Buy Back Your Time, I can tell you my inbox is constantly flooded by virtual assistant agencies asking how AI will disrupt them. The answer? It is disrupting them. Using AI tools to manage email, scheduling, research for busy founders, it's essentially acting as a chief of staff. This is where AI excels. I even have a platform called Apex for this, helping agents execute these tasks. My own chief of staff, Kai, manages my inbox, calendar, projects, follows up, and even handles calls and real estate projects. These aren't real people, they're AI agents. Profitability, decent. You can manage 3 to 5 clients, handling the work and managing your own AI agents. The future is in agent operators. Competition, pretty crowded. Tools like Cloud Cowork make this accessible for free, and many people are offering these services. Longevity, moderate. AI can perform many of these tasks. The real long-term value lies in consulting at scale, focusing on business processes rather than just being a virtual assistant. Tier, B tier. The value proposition of saving time is clear, which is stronger than content repurposing. Ha7, AI chat agents. Local businesses get calls, but they also get emails and website chats. I was trying to book dinner recently, too lazy for OpenTable, and wished I could have just chatted with the restaurant on their website, but they didn't have an AI chat agent ready. Interfaces are dead. People want instant replies, and they want to chat. When you deploy these AI chats for businesses, you typically set up a monthly retainer. Profitability, good. Monthly retainers mean recurring revenue, which is the backbone of any strong business. Competition, pretty crowded. Companies like Intercom have been leaders in AI-powered chat for years, and the barrier to entry is low. Anyone can build one. Longevity, moderate. It's a question of how integrated these will become into AI models or existing software. I'd rank it just behind voice agents because, while powerful voice-style, interactions often feel more natural for complex bookings. However, many businesses use chat to qualify leads and then hand off to a voice agent. Tier, B tier. 8. AI trading bots. This is where people sell bots to make you money. But here's the brutal truth nobody tells you. Anyone selling a trading bot is really selling you a course. If they had a bot that made them 20% a year, they wouldn't tell a soul. Companies like Renaissance Technologies and 2 Sigma use AI for trading, but they only trade their employees' money. The bots you see advertised are often just selling signals that quickly become obsolete. Why would anyone sell a working bot for $97? Profitability. Profitable for the seller because they're selling the dream, the vision. not a functional bot. Competition, high. So many people are out there selling these. Longevity, zero. The business model is unsustainable and often ethically questionable. It's incredibly risky, potentially putting you in SEC territory if you're not careful. Tier, F tier. It's a terrible business model, built on selling hopes and dreams. Hashtag 9, AI agent development. This is where people pay you to create AI agents, like the chief of staff agents I mentioned earlier. These aren't just simple assistants, they're complex systems that can manage multiple other agents, essentially acting as virtual employees. Profitability, massive if you get it right. Competition, low. Most people can't even explain what this is. It requires significant technical expertise, which filters out most individuals. Longevity, strong. This is the iPhone moment of AI. You're creating repeatable workflows that businesses can implement to scale without hiring more people. Tier, S tier of the S tier of the S tier. If you have the technical skills and want to be at the forefront of AI, this is it. 10. AI copywriting. AI can generate first drafts for landing pages, case studies, and sales emails. The key is to develop your own voice and strategic process for generating sales. Generative copywriters are struggling, but specialists who niche down into specific industries and deliver real solutions will win. Don't just be an AI writer. Be the person who writes for a specific type of business and manages all their messaging. Profitability, decent. You can charge a fraction of what an agency would cost. Competition, high. AI copywriting is probably the most popular AI use case right now. Longevity, shaky. Prompt engineering is becoming more accessible with new models, making it harder to stand out. If you're highly specialized and personalized, you're at the top of B tier. If you're just doing generic work, you're indistinguishable from the AI itself. Tier, B tier. Top 11, AI Venture Studio. This is for entrepreneurs with a flood of ideas who want to build multiple AI companies simultaneously. Think of it as a factory that churns out profitable businesses on repeat. Since December, the landscape has shifted dramatically, allowing almost anyone with an idea to get an app built. Profitability, unlimited. If done correctly, every company is built with the intention to sell or go public. You test and validate ideas with minimal upfront investment, killing the losers and scaling the winners. Competition, high in name, low in execution. Many might call themselves a studio, but they lack the distribution, brand, product knowledge, and customer acquisition skills. This requires a deep business, marketing, and leadership background, plus capital. Longevity, strong. This is how you create ongoing enterprise value and build a machine that builds machines. Tier, A-. It's incredibly powerful, but too advanced for most people. Hashtag 12. AI to AI marketplace. Did you know AI agents are hiring humans? Rentahuman.ai has seen over 700,000 humans register and 200,000 jobs posted for AI agents to hire. This shows that you'll either lead AI, work for AI, or AI will be buying from AI. Stripe's new protocol for this, adopted by Google, signifies the future. Imagine building the Facebook marketplace for AI agents. You'd curate, rank, ensure security, and market the marketplace, becoming the Airbnb of AI agents. Profitability, good. You can take a 10 to 30% cut on each connection. Competition, very low. Almost no one is building this at scale yet. There's no true eBay for AI to AI marketplaces. Longevity, strong. Marketplaces are incredibly defensible once established, like Uber or Airbnb. Tier, A tier. It's harder than starting a venture studio, but the potential is massive. I don't have a marketplace business yet, and this might be the moment I build one. Hobber 13, AI logo and brand design. Get paid to use AI to generate logos, brand kits, and product mockups. Tools like ManyChat can assist with this. You can approach businesses for these projects, especially for more involved work. Profitability, medium. You can still charge based on perceived value. I recently designed a website that in the past would have cost $100,000. People are willing to pay for good design. Competition, high. You have the tools, and you have everyone using the tools. Longevity, low. I don't see a world where this isn't something most people can do themselves by simply asking their AI to design a logo or website with specific aesthetic requirements. Tier, B tier. Copywriting sells money, but brand is identity. While valuable, it lacks the long-term defensibility. 14. Managed AI cybersecurity. This is about getting paid to use AI to manage a business's security threats 24/7. This includes phishing attempts, firewall breaches, spam emails, and social engineering, even AI-powered voice spoofing. One breach can cost a company millions. You help businesses understand security risks, especially with AI in the hands of bad actors, and implement basic safeguards. Most people don't even understand AI, let alone the security threats it can introduce. Profitability. Wildly profitable. You can charge significant monthly fees because preventing a system outage is invaluable. It's like selling insurance, but the need is immediate and critical for many. Enterprise-level contracts offer substantial income. Competition. Almost none. This is highly technical. While AI platforms and security specialists exist, the barrier to entry is immense. Longevity. Strong. The more powerful AI becomes, the greater the need for experts to combat AI-powered cyber attacks. Tier, S tier. It sits right behind agent development because agent development is less technical and easier to get into. But cybersecurity is a massive opportunity. My top pick and how to launch it. Clearly, my top pick is AI agent development. Here's my 5-step blueprint to launching it. 1. Validate. Create a landing page using AI to describe your agent development service. Focus on one use case. The AI-powered chief of staff is universally needed for email, scheduling, follow-ups, and legal tasks. Get people on a waitlist. Then text everyone you know asking if they know someone looking for this AI chief of staff. Many will say, "I want that." Then ask if they'd pay to solve that problem today. This validates your core idea. 2. Pre-sell. Use that landing page as your offer page. Email everyone on your waitlist for an early adopter program with a clear price and payment link. Get people to commit financially. These are the people who have validated the problem as a painkiller, not a vitamin. 3. Launch manually. Start by delivering the service manually for your early adopters. No complex tech needed yet. Use a concierge approach to customize the solution. This proves real value and a real transaction before you build or automate anything. 4. Build your audience through partnerships. Find people already talking about the problems your AI agent solves, like the need for a virtual chief of staff, and partner with them. Offer them a commission for referrals. This is how you get distribution without already having an audience. 5. Productize. Only after you have consistent transactions, are automating processes, and have partners promoting you, should you reinvest income into building out the full technology. This is my process, the one I use every month to build companies. You're not behind. There are endless opportunities ahead. You might have just been following the wrong map. Pick one of these ideas. Use my feedback as your guide and stay focused. Business is about self-development. The winners are the ones who don't quit. Out of all these AI opportunities, which one resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, DM me chat on Instagram @DanMartel for my free Sell by Chat playbook. It's got the offer template, structure, and content strategies you need. If you want to learn how to build a business that runs itself, click the video on your screen next. I'll see you there.